Hi, Brian Beckman, VB Attorneys here. What do you do if you work in the marine industry and you get coronavirus? Well, the answer to that question is you have legal rights. So if you're, for instance, if you're in the maritime industry and you're on a vessel and you come down with coronavirus, you're for sure entitled to something called maintenance and cure. Maintenance and cure is basically the maintenance is a small amount of wage replacement, and then cure is your medical bills until you reach what's called maximum medical improvement, which means the point at which they can't do anything to make you better. And maintenance and cure is whether or not anybody did anything wrong, whether anybody was negligent. If you get coronavirus on a vessel, you are entitled to maintenance and cure, period. And if your employer tells you otherwise, don't believe them. Now, if you can show that the employer did something negligent, something wrong, or the ship was unseaworthiness in some way, and that resulted in you or your fellow crewmates getting coronavirus, then you may be able to sue for Jones Act negligence and unseaworthiness. And if you can prove there was somebody was at fault, or the company or the ship owner was at fault, then you're looking at recovering your full wages past and future, your full medical bills past and future, pain and suffering, impairment, and all the other damages you would normally be entitled to. Right now, marine workers have been deemed essential services. They're essential to our economy, to our supply chain, to our national security, for getting medical supplies here, food, all the sort of things we need. Marine workers have to work right now, and it puts them in danger. And we are going to make sure and protect the men and women that work in our marine industry legally, and make sure that we continue to enforce their rights. So look, if you got any questions, if you're in the marine industry or you work in the maritime industry and you've been exposed to coronavirus, or you have any legal questions at all, give us a call, 713-224-7800. That's 713-224-7800. Or visit our website, vbattorneys.com. That's V as in Victor, B as in Brian, attorneys.com. Stay safe.